Hey y'all, it's Sharon with southernbellahome.com, my blog where I talk all about healthy and wholesome farmhouse living with gracious southern style. And today we're focusing on the style. Yesterday we were in the kitchen all day doing all sorts of good things from the homestead garden, and you need to go check that video out. If you missed it, I'll put a link in the description below. But today is one of my favorite things to do, and that is decorate. I'm just visual and I love to make the house pretty, and I love to honor the seasons as they come and go. And as spring is becoming so beautiful outside, I know it's not officially spring, but we've got blossoms everywhere. And so I want to bring a little bit of that to the inside. And this year for my spring decorating, I'm using all of my blue and white china that I've collected over many years. I'm just going to be dispersing it throughout the house in different ways. And today I'm going to decorate these bookshelves for spring, and I thought it might be fun to take you all along with me and let me just show you how I go about setting up vignettes and putting things together that I already had around the house. So let's get busy, and it's going to be fun. Okay, the way that I'm going to tackle this bookcase is I'm going to start with the bottom shelf and work my way up. And you see I have my Foxfire books up here, and they're tied with a little piece of string. I had those there for the winter decor, so they're just going to stay put, and I'm going to work around those. So let's get started. What do you think? Do you think it looks like spring if you were just to look at this corner of my little room? I think it does. Let's take a closer look. Well, I hope that you all really enjoyed seeing how I decorated my bookcases for spring, and I hope that you are inspired to get some spring decor going in your house just for a change, just to welcome the new season. And also, I hope that you're encouraged to just look around your house and see what you already have that can look like spring when you put it all together. I hope you all have a beautiful day today, and I pray that you'll keep home sweet, create beauty where you can, and until we meet again, may the good Lord bless and keep you. Bye, y'all.